Okay, let's take a look at the JBL Xtreme 4, and as you can see here, it is in the box, and what lovely packaging straight away. Normal JBL packaging in the front, and there's a bit more about the speaker, which we'll go into shortly, the 24 hours of playtime, IP67 waterproof and dustproof, power bank, and obviously the multi-speaker connection. So here's a speaker, taking a look, and straight away what you can see is it has a really high quality design. The speaker itself is 2.1 kilos, and you can feel the great quality of it. It doesn't feel cheap at all, it feels really luxury. You can feel the weight of that speaker now. It's 2.1 kilos. Now remember, that's 2.1 kilos of pure sound coming out of it. Width, you're looking at 300 centimeters, so 30 centimeters there. 141 millimeters there, and a height of about 15 centimeters just there. So weight of 2.1 kilos. You've got the depth of 141 millimeters there, width of 297 millimeters, and height of 149 millimeters. So got to see how much sound comes out of this. On the back there as well, you've got the pads there that hold it together, quite strong. On the front, you've got the volume up, volume down, turn it on, the Bluetooth, and obviously the pairing. So I'm going to come back to the speaker in one moment. I just want to look at what else comes in the box. So you've got obviously the things we just took off there, which we don't want to worry about. In the packet here as well, what have we got? So the great thing is this is designed for outdoor use. Now I'm going to show you why that's the case. So here we've got the USB-C charging, but it comes with plugs. You can adapt onto it, which makes it a lot easier to carry around. USB-C charging there as well. Now if we look on the back here too, we've also got nothing there. We've also got the warranty card, standard for JBL, and also here we've got the strap. So the PartyBoost comes with, I don't know if you can see just here, straps either side. So this actually works, you can put it over your shoulder, which I think is really cool. Just there. So let me show you this. So grab this and put it here. We're going to show you how this is like to carry around shortly as well when we go out and about. There you go. So you can actually carry it there on your shoulder, which is really good because sometimes it's not that easy to carry it around. And you've also got a bottle opener too. If you're having a party and want some drinks, you could do it that way. So yeah, really, really nice. So I'm going to go and take this off and move this away. We'll go in a bit more detail. Might just say as well, this strap is actually very, very good quality as well. Sometimes with the features you have, see how thick that is? Very good quality. So it's not going anywhere, and it kind of reflects how good a quality the speaker is as well. So the speaker itself, sound-wise, comes with 70 watts output. It also comes 100 watts output when you use it with the charging cable as well. Now the great thing with this is because it's got such high battery life, you're looking at 24 hours battery with this on playtime, and you get an extra 6 hours with the playtime boost as well, which is excellent. So great battery life. Now let's take a look at the 10 minutes of charging gives you 2 hours of playtime. Now think about this as IP67 water rated, which means it's waterproof and dustproof. I wouldn't submerge it in water for too long, but you get the accidental rain shower. This will cope with it, which is great. Now looking at the speakers as well, so it's got dual radiators, dual passive radiators, 2 woofers and 2 tweeters as well. So what that means is when the sound's coming out of here, it really is powerful. I'm going to go show you some demonstration of how this actually works. You can actually see it pulsing, which I think is great. Now it's got a very rugged design as well, very durable. There's also rubber here as well, which means if you're going to drop it, it's going to survive as well. So I don't want to really test how shockproof it is, but that's a good part of it as well. Now the passive radiators on each side is where the music comes out of, just here. You've got the volume up, volume down there too. Now I think it's a very, very solid feel. It feels like a great quality premium build. And the other thing is as well, we're going to test that sound shortly, but you can see the controls. So you turn on there, turns it on, then pairing there as well. Very easy to pair, and you can use the JBL headphones app as well to change the features, which I'll show you guys later. But there's the back of the speaker too. So that's a USB-C charging port in there. But it really is a very, very nice looking speaker.